Okay, it is the process by which water on the ground surface enters the soil. Enters the known about this infiltration. Of course, infiltration rate in soil science is a measure of the rate at which soil is able to absorb rainfall or irrigation. Okay, like this one, will be some mention about infiltration. Of course, we already learned about infiltration in our beta classes also. Anyway, just in our second unit, we already discussed the first unit, entire first unit completed it, all things most probably. Of course, about preparations also we already discussed measuring precipitation, rainfall data, and other things also completed. So there is no need of other things about first unit. Now furtherly we go for second unit now, infiltration and infiltration indices, etc. So we already discussed about the infiltration. We already learned about the infiltration in our beta classes. So now we discussed about a small thing or little things about infiltration, something about infiltration in this class. After that, we go for indices and all things. After that, we go for Orton and Phillips and Green, like that one. No problem. First of all, we discussed about infiltration now. The basic things of infiltration is it is a process by which water on the ground surface enter the soil. Anyway, infiltration rate in soil science is measure of rate at which soil. We discussed about this one, particularly in this type. Like that, first of all, we discussed about the infiltration in a separate way, not like our BTech way. In BTech way, that is different. In MTech way, master's levels, we discussed about the process of ground surface, and of the soil, etc. We discussed hour or millimeters per hour. The measurement in inches per hour or millimeter mm per hour, inches per hour. Anyway, the rate of decreases as the soil becomes saturated. The rate decreases as the soil becomes saturated. If the precipitation rate exceeds the infiltration rate, if the precipitation rate exceeds the infiltration rate, runoff will usually occur unless there is some physical barrier. Anyway, this is the process. The rate of infiltration can be measured using an infiltrometer. Of course, we'll be discussed about that infiltrometer, no problem. After that, we will be discussed, no problem. Now, the factors affecting infiltration. What are the factors affecting slope of the land, degree of saturation, porosity, permeability, packing, of course, shorting, shape, capillary, vegetation, land is, etc., etc., etc. Other things also, other small things are also there. Anyway, first of all, we discussed about infiltrometer and other things. We will discuss, repeat that one, no problem. I will discuss about this infiltration
Uh,
also. Don't. It is a process by which water seeps into the ground through to the soil surface. That means downward movement of the water through soil. Anyway, the rate of infiltration is directly influenced by the physical characteristics of the soil. Next one is soil cover, moisture content of the soil temperature, precipitation rate, that means rainfall intensity. Anyway, the rate of infiltration is directly influenced by the physical characteristics of the soil cover, moisture content of the soil, soil temperature. These are the physical characteristics. At the same time, precipitation rate, that means rainfall intensity, also is also directly influenced by infiltration rate. Anyway, infiltration capacity. What about infiltration capacity? It is determined by the soil cover and the surface soil characteristics. When precipitation rate is greater than infiltration capacity, surface runoff will occur. When the surface runoff occur, the precipitation rate is greater than the infiltration capacity. For bare soil, high infiltration rate greater than 25 mm per hour, low infiltration rate less than 2.5 mm per hour. This is for bare soil. Anyway, higher infiltration rate for soils covered with grass or other vegetation. Where the higher infiltration rate, the higher infiltration rate for soils covered with grass or other vegetation. These may increase infiltration rates by factor between 3 and 7.5. Here, for bare soil, high infiltration rate is greater than 2.5 mm per hour. For low infiltration rate, less than 2.5 mm per hour. Anyway, high infiltration rate for soils covered with grass or other vegetation also. That means that there may be infiltration by factor between 3 and 7.5. Anyway, uh, infiltration generally, the rules of thumb for basin scale infiltration estimates in average 10% of the precipitation infiltration into the subsurface. In average, 10% of the precipitation we are considered generally 10% infiltrates into the subsurface. In average, 30% of the water used for agricultural irrigation infiltrates into the subsurface. Generally, precipitation infiltration is average 10% into the subsurface. 30% of the water used for agricultural infiltration, irrigation infiltrates into the subsurface. That means 30% of the agricultural irrigation.
Sir, I accept
Anyway,
your
that is okay. It is also infiltration from public water distribution system. Of course, spills are anyway amount of possibility 40% to 50% of supply. Some leaks, other thing, spills or anything. There is arise any leaks or anything, amount possibility to 40 to 50%. The most efficient countries in terms of spills are, that means where some of the person, fishermen, etc., they are in case study, they are in their case study they are mentioned in US 60% losses are there in infiltration rate. In Great Britain 90% loss, France in 26% loss, etc. Through the amount of possibility of that means leaks, that means spills or leaks. Through the leaks, the most efficient countries in terms. Also, they are faced that struggles. They have some leaks, some losses are there. In the United States of India, 16% of loss through the leaks or spills. In Great Britain, 90% of the loss in the leaks. Anyway, France also having 26% loss. Local scale infiltration is usually determined for agriculture purpose. Of course, soil classification it is not need for us because it is a different thing. Of course, this is also one of the important for us. Bernoulli's equation it's already well known our fluid mechanics also. So don't need about this one. Just you see what about Bernoulli's equation. You remember that one fluid mechanics and all things in our fluid mechanics and water resources engineering. That means engineering hydrology also. You must be remember that two topics also. Anyway, Bernoulli's equation that is equal to total energy is equal to elastic energy. That means pressure plus potential energy P plus K, kinetic energy. Pressure plus potential energy plus kinetic energy. That is equal to total energy. Of course, if the equation is divided by something rho mg, that will be containing E by mg is equal to P by P rho z plus Z plus V square by 2c. Of course, potential in subsurface, it is very, very important to us. This equation is more important. So finally, we get the equation. This is very, very important for us. Hydraulic potential hydraulic head is equal to, that means S is equal to pressure potential pressure head plus elevation potential elevation head. Okay, that means P by rho z plus Z. E by mg is equal to P by rho z plus Z. Anyway, that is equal to here. One meter. This is very, very important to us. Of course, potential in hand. This is not for, of course, we have already discussed about this one also. Retention, moisture, curve or wetting curves. In our moisture drainage water out, that means air displaces water in porous media. Of course, it is not need for us. Anyway, this is not important for us. Only we have some certain content, infiltration and infiltration pieces and other things. So mainly we studied about Arthur and Phillips, etc., etc. So that is important for us. It is on our beta classes, so we don't need about this one. But first of all, we learn something about and we remember. For the remember purpose, we discussed about this one. Anyway, infiltration process, that is in ponded water, air ground surfaces, high here minimum infiltration rate is equal to the vertical. Of course, just we draw like this one water table here. Of course, this is not also important for us. Just for infiltration process, infiltration experiments. Of course, it is not no need. Here, one of the important. This one is important for us. Infiltration process estimation methods. Meteorological water balance, here basin scales, rules of thumb, lysimeters or lysimeters, anything. Depends on you. You will be mentioned like this lysimeter or lysimeters. Take your own decision. Infiltration experiments, anyway, models. Here, these are the important for us. Arden's equation, that means Arden, Philip, Greenham. These are the models are very, very important for us. Particularly, these models are very important, particular generation or particular periods, particular this period. In this periods, these three are more important. These three models, Horton and Philip and Greenham, these are more important for us. Anyway, will be discussed finally. First of all, you must learn about this one, infiltration process, Horton equation. What about Horton's equations? Anyway, Fc is equal to Fc plus F0 minus Fc into under bracket of the into e to the power of minus kT. What about this one Fe, potential infiltration rate? You must note this equation, Horton's equations. It is in 1939 and 1940s, between that stages. You must be noted this equation. This equation is very important for us. You must note this equation. In our examination also, this will become either of course, there are two parts like this one. Some of the important topics after and Phillips or anything. Out of these three, you must get 1%. Anyway, what about after this equation? F is equal to potential infiltration rate or infiltration capacity. That means in function of time. Fc is equal to minimum infiltration rate. F0 is equal to initial infiltration rate. That means real maximum. K is equal to decay constant. T is equal to time. Must be noted this one. PCOC. Just you remember that one. For that purpose, PC means personal computer. Computer is very excellent. That is enough for us. Everything will be added F. PC means personal computer. As computer excellent. That enough for symbolism. PCO CE. That is enough. Here only F is added. First P, Fp is equal to Fc plus bracket of Fo minus Fc into e to the power minus kT. Only F0 Fo minus Fc. You must be noted this equation. Pc OCE. That is enough. Okay. What about K? Decay constant. Okay. Decay constant. You remember like this one. You must be for your own decision. Take your own decision for symbolism with your friends or anyway any type of symbols. You must be remember and noted that one. Anyway, what about Fc? Minimum infiltration rate. What about Fp? Potential infiltration rate. That means potential, total potential rate, or infiltration capacity in function of time. In function of time. This is function of time. Anyway, totally the function of time. That means here minus kT. Here totally that is in function of time. Anyway, Fc is equal to minimum infiltration rate. Fo is equal to infiltration rate. That means real maximum. Here, real maximum. K is equal to decay constant. Here T is equal to time. You noted this one equation. This is very, very important diagram. Very, very important. That equation is mentioned here. PC, OC, that is enough. It is the E. Then just a personal computer, whole computer excellent. Enough. PFP, that is equal to FC plus FO minus FC bracket of into e to the power minus kT. Here, what about this one? This is already discussed. This is real maximum. FO means real maximum. That is equal to initial infiltration rate, that is real maximum. Here, what about this one? Minimum infiltration rate. This is minimum infiltration rate, FC. Okay, this is potential infiltration rate. This is potential infiltration rate, F3. This is time in function of time. That is Fe versus time. Here, this is the equation. Okay. Anyway, this is the reference. You must be noted this equation and this diagram also very important for us. Arden's equation in MTech level, this is very important for us. In Arden and Greenamt and other things, of course, Philip, out of 3, you must get 1 question. Finally, Arden's equation, we already mentioned, equally FO by FC is equal to 5. What about FC and what about FO? Noted that one? So I don't repeat it. Okay. Now, minimum and real max. Anyway, that means normally used for agronomy purposes, okay, for small scales, not practical for basic scales. That means unrealistic. It does not take into account spatial variability or hydraulic conductivity. That means it does not take into account spatial variability of hydraulic conductivity. What about hydraulic conductivity? That means I think that is K. Will be mentioned after that one. No problem. What about these typical values of infiltration parameters? Of course, this is not important for us. I think most probably it is a very much confusion. So we don't need about this. We don't touch that one because that mathematical numbers are also very confusing between them. So we don't need about that one. Just equation is enough for us. This is example 1. Of course, okay, I will be discussed later, no problem. For example purpose. Now we discussed about remaining things. About Artin's equation, named after the same Robert E. Artin. Artin equation is another viable option when measuring ground infiltration rates or volumes. It is an empirical formula that says that infiltration starts at a constant rate, FO, and is decreasing exponentially at the time t. After some time, when the soil saturation levels reaches a certain value, the rate of infiltration will level off the rate FC. This is the equation. We already discussed about this one. Here, of course, there is mention here. This is common for us. Of course, in that equations, that is different. This is one of the important very much. Okay, that is FP. Here FT. Of course, here Y is mentioned as FT, where that in that BPT that is mentioned as FP, but here FT because he is the infiltration rate at time function time. So of course, based on you will be mentioned. Of course, here maximum infiltration rate is F0 considered, but that one is considered is different. Anyway, this is the K is called as a decay constant specific to the soil.
Sir?
But we will be mentioned about particularly, you must be noted this equation. Before that equation, we discussed, we give some discussion about the Torstensson equations. చెప్పమ్మా.
సార్ హార్టన్స్ కర్వ్ అంటే ఇప్పుడు ఎఫ్టీ తీసుకోవాలా ఎఫ్పిది తీసుకోవాలా సార్?
ఎఫ్డిఏ తీసుకుందాం మనం. ఎఫ్ఈ అనేది ఓన్లీ ఆఫ్ కోర్స్ బేస్డ్ డిపెండ్స్ ఆన్ యూ. యూ విల్ బి మెన్షన్ పర్టికులర్లీ. Here FT, that is FE. Of course, take your own decision. But we will be particularly mentioned in the function of, it is a function of time.
టైం తో తీసుకోవచ్చు కదా సార్ మన హాట్ టర్మ్స్ కర్వ్.
FT తీసుకోవచ్చు, FTA తీసుకోండి, ఎందుకని మంచిది.
ఓకే సార్.
అంటే ఏం లేదు, నేను అనేది ఏంటంటే దాన్ని ఎందుకు చూపించానంటే మీకు ఫస్ట్ ఆ పీపీటీలో ఉన్న మనకి ఇంపార్టెంట్ టెర్మినాలజీస్ కొంచెం మీకు అర్థం అవడం కోసం బెర్నౌల్స్ ఈక్వేషన్ ఉంది కదా అని చెప్పి దాని నుంచి ఎలా తీసుకున్నాం అనేది చూపించడం కోసం అది చూపించాను అనమాట. అంటే అది తెలియకుండా మనకి ఇది ఎలా వచ్చిందని తెలుసుకోవడం కోసం అర్థమైంది, అందుకోసం చూపించా. యాక్చువల్గా అయితే ఇది మనది ఇంపార్టెంట్. This is very, very important for us.
FT is equal to FC plus epsilon. అదే కదా సార్.
Yes, this is important. Actually, this PPT is ours. But for the purpose of Bernoulli's equation, we go for further supporting file. Okay.
ఓకే సార్.
Okay. This is very, very important for us. Particularly, this is for only for MTech purpose. This PPT. Furtherly, that is for supporting file. Anyway. Okay. We already well known about infiltration indices. You must be not, of course, first of all, we completed the Arrhenius equation. Furtherly, we will go for later that equations also. Okay. Anyway, this is the Arrhenius equation. You must be mentioned particularly this discretion. After that, we go for this equation. Of course, this is another model will be discussed later. First of all, we go for infiltration indices. Okay. What about infiltration indices? The two commonly used infiltration indices are the following. First one is pi index and the second one is W index. Anyway, this is the pi index. Yeah, this is defined as the rate of infiltration. Wow. ఇది తేలేదు వాళ్ళంతా